ట్రైనింగ్స్ ఇక్కడ రావట్లేదు చూడు జస్ట్ చెక్ ఓకే ఓకే గైస్ కెన్ యూ హియర్ మీ వినపడుతుందా సో ఎనీబడి wanted to ask any questions regarding anybody wanted to switch from non-IT to IT or IT to IT, or already you're working in BPO sector or pharma sector or banking sector. So if you need any career guidance regarding IT courses and all, so I will be able to help you in this regard and what courses to learn, and what are the opportunities currently available in the market. So especially non-IT people or IT guys also, if they wanted to get into data oriented technologies like data science, generative AI, or data engineering using Azure or a cloud, or if you wanted to get into data analytics, right? So if you need this kind of a technologies, or especially if you need career guidance, and or if you're in age of 20, 30, 40, you're a fresher or you're a housewife, or you have 10 years of a gap in the after education, you never worked for any company. So if you wanted to have any questions regarding IT career, you will be able to ask me, so I will be able to help you guys. So Azure data engineering or data analytics using Power BI, which is the best? See, data analytics will be no coding, low coding. If you don't like coding, especially BCom guys, BTech mechanical or non-IT people, for them data analytics will be the right choice. But if you're coming from the CSC background, IT background, you like coding, at least basic understanding on loops, and if you have basic understanding of Python or any programming language, if you know, so I can strongly recommend Azure data engineering. Okay. So tomorrow we have Saturday evening 7:15. We have new demo on data analytics. If you wanted to enroll for that, you can ping me in my WhatsApp number. I am going to be giving my number so that you will be able to ping me your details, your name and email ID, so that data analytics demo details I can send it to you tomorrow evening 7:15 p.m. You will be able to attend my live class on data analytics. Is it okay? So Azure data engineering के लिए job है क्या? Yeah, Azure data engineering के लिए we have lot many opportunities currently. So many people are learning today Azure data engineering. Multiple opens. My students are able to get. So last week one guy got three offer letters. Three. He came from BPO industry, mechanical guy, working for a TCS more than 5 years with 5 lakh salary package. That guy got three offer letters last week. He joined 2 days back in EY company with 15 lakh salary packages, and lot many opportunities you have for the data engineering role. But only thing is that SQL and Python coding you need to know. So definitely coding job it is. Okay. And 3 years experience if you keep, you will be able to get a minimum 15 to 25 lakh salary package. You can get it. Okay. So that is what I can recommend. So you can go to Go Online Trainings Bhaskar Jogi YouTube channel. I have recorded very good content on data engineering using Azure, and data analytics demos are there. Please watch, and if you're interested, you can just get back to us. So you can attend live data engineering demos or data analytics demos also. Thank you. So I have 11 years of experience, career gap in this. I ran in a tech business for 3 years and I'm eligible for software. Yes, why not? Because people from 20, 30, 40 years also, they will be able to get into the IT sector. So you are 100% eligible. So if you love to code, I can strongly recommend data engineering for you, and Python basic. You need to learn SQL knowledge. You need to have. So we are going to be giving you 6 months data engineering course, purely online course. You are going to be learning SQL, Python as a foundation for the data engineering. Then We have a cloud and data bricks and big data. So it is going to be containing. If you love coding, choose data engineering. Otherwise, I strongly recommend for the data analytics using Power BI. 3 months course it is. Okay. So for data analytics, what we need to learn. So for data analytics, uh, yeah, Yamini, I think asking, right? So for data analytics, what we need to learn? Yamini, for you, SQL is the backbone for data analytics or data engineering. SQL, if you know, you can learn data analytics. So and Power BI and ETL and data warehousing. Yamini, these are the four courses will come 3 months duration. You can complete this course. Any background, BCom, botany, zoology, B pharmacy, banking industry, any people can come. So tomorrow evening 7:15 we are having a demo on data analytics. If you're interested, I'm giving my number. You will be able to ping me your details. I can give you the meeting ID for tomorrow's class. Is it okay? So now I think Krishna Chaitanya, I have told you, right? You can easily attend tomorrow class. Then tomorrow I'm going to be discussing 2 hours demo evening 7:15 p.m. We can discuss what is data analytics and data engineering tomorrow in depth. So please come and attend. So Durga Prasad, sir, I have total 14 years of experience in non-banking domain and presently working as a chief manager operations department. I'm planning to switch to IT. I strongly recommend operations guys, insurance guys. You can switch to IT industry, especially data analytics role will be very good role. So any technology which is having a data towards that, it will give you much more opportunities, Durga Prasad. So tomorrow evening 7:15, I'm conducting a live live batch so that you can attend and call me after the class. I can talk to you directly. Okay. So my number I have given. Make a note of this number in Durga Prasad. You can call me after this live so that I can guide you. So or you can send me your email ID. We will be able to send you tomorrow's meeting details. It will be 2 hours of demo. So you can attend. If you're not able to attend, at least ping me. I can give you recorded class also. Is it okay, Durga Prasad? Very good. So anything else? I have given my number. Just ping me your email ID name so that you will be able to ask. See, many people think that they cannot get into IT, or many people think that if I learn some course, I can easily go into IT. Both of them are wrong. So only one thing you need to understand: learning course is not important. Anybody can learn course, but if you have a proper mentor, so that is where the success rate will increase, right? So many people will come, sir, I have joined Power BI data analytics course 3 years back in some other institution, or I have learned so and so course. It is not the course at all. Many people will think that if I do the course, no, 100% it is completely mentoring, or you need to have proper guru. Clear? So that is important. Mujhe 2 year, what's that? Smiling. So, मुझे 2 years experience, I think you have it, right? So, what is that you're talking about? Yeah, yeah, yeah. You have smiling, fishing. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You definitely are eligible for anything, even though you're a fresher or if you have 2 years of experience in IT, non-IT, banking, insurance, any people can get into IT. But only thing is that now you need to learn from scratch, from zero, basics. Clear? That is important. Right. So, which course is the best, SSIS or Azure Cloud? See, almost SSIS is a very old tool. So, I can strongly recommend Azure Stack, Azure Databricks, Azure Data Factory. You can learn so that Bindu Kumar, you can get into Azure site today. It will take minimum 4 to 6 months time if you wanted to become an Azure data engineer. So we have a dedicated demos are already recorded and kept in my channel. Just watch those recorded videos. If you interested, you can ping me on my number. So 9919919452 guys. Okay, Bindu Kumar. So and sir, 2 year experience data analytics, but switch to data engineering. Yeah, you definitely you can switch. Data analyst can also switch to data engineering. Data engineering guys also can switch to data analytics. There's no problem at all. So you need to have in-depth of SQL knowledge for data engineering and data analytics. So, Krishna Chaitanya, AI can replace data analytics, data engineering. See, AI needs a data. So, who's going to be giving you the data? Data engineering team is going to be giving you the data. So, without data, AI cannot work. Clear? So, this is the data. One thing is that AI. One more data analytics. So, without data, both of them will not work. Even AI cannot replace data analytics or data engineering. That is the reason you should learn either data analytics or data engineering, or AI also you can learn. But the people are not learning AI because more complex it is. But you can slowly get into data analytics, data engineering, then slow towards data science or AI and ML. That is also possible. Okay. Chalo guys, main eligible who, yeah, definitely you can learn, right? So definitely with the help of 2 years of existing experience, you can easily get into data engineering and you can learn data engineering. You can call me after the live so that I can guide you. Okay, you can also watch my videos so that you will be able to understand what is data analytics, what is data engineering clearly. Anybody eligible for any course, but only thing is that data engineering will be coding, data analytics will be no coding. Okay, so Girish Challing, sir, can you give me some advice for getting for a first job where we need to focus that everyone doing mistake? See, Girish, many people are not learning foundations. IT industry is doing two things. IT industry is going to store your data. IT industry is going to process your data. These are two things IT industry is going to be doing. So if you wanted to store the data, you need to learn SQL. For the processing of the data, you need to have a language. So compulsorily, if you wanted to get into IT, you need to learn one SQL and one programming language like Python and anything. Very basics, if you learn 10, 20 days of Python, and if you learn in depth of SQL, you are ready for IT industry now. Clear? I have a lot of SQL content. BCom guys are learning. Pharmacy guys are learning SQL today. And MBA guys are learning SQL today. Very easily have explained SQL. Lot of playlists are available in my YouTube channel. So just watch Girish, and you need to start with what foundational courses. Strongly, I recommend SQL first. Okay. So get into that. Once you learn SQL, then you may learn data analytics, data engineering, anything you can have. So one small simple programming language you need to know, like Python, people are recommending today. And SQL is the backbone for data oriented technologies, data analytics, data engineering. Girish, is it okay? Just watch data analytics, data engineering demos in my channel and try to learn SQL in depth. Python, you need not learn in depth. SQL in depth you need to learn. Okay. So DSCA is not required for job. Okay, DSCA, if you want to go in for the product based companies, you need to learn. Otherwise, more SQL is needed for the data engineering and data analytics. Okay. So Raman is asking, so 2017 BTech graduate. Yeah, yeah. I have people coming from 2012, 2009, 2011, doesn't matter. So anybody can get into IT. Don't only learn courses. Many people will fail by learning courses. Course will not give you any support, because if you go to Udemy, if you go to YouTube, thousands of courses are available. But how many become professionals without a proper coach, without a proper mentor? You don't learn anything on your own. Clear? So remember, right? So if you have any doubts, you can just call me or message me. I'll give you complete clarity. Tomorrow evening 7:15, I have a data analytics demo happening. So I can give my number 991999452. Message me your email ID, Raman. I will be able to give you data analytics demo details tomorrow. You can join tomorrow 2 hours demo. If you're not able to join, at least ping me. I can give you recorded session tomorrow. Please attend, guys. Data analytics live batch will be going on. It will be 1.5 hour to 2 hours tomorrow. Utilize this opportunity. You will understand how data analytics is going to work, how BCom guys are able to crack some 20,000 rupees earning guy, how 15 lakh salary is able to crack within 6 months of a time. So I will be able to show you those offer letters and everything in tomorrow. So try to join live class probably. Okay, chalo. Guys, anybody wanted to ask any other question? So normally what happens, many people think recession is the thing that is going to be killing them. No, recession is not killing you. Or people may say, sir, AI is going to be killing me. No, AI is also not killing. You know what is killing? You are not upskilling. That is what is, you are killing yourself. You are not upskilling. You are completely blaming, saying that, TCS has removed thousands of people, or, this company has removed, thousands of people. Do you think that all those people coming out and learning new technology again, went back? Nobody will be, staying. If you lose the job, do you think that you will be, simply sitting at home? You do some codes and again you will go back, right? See, ఒక ఆయన ఏమన్నాడంటే, మా హోటల్‌లో భోజనాలు ఎవరు చేయట్లేదంటే అందరూ తిండి మానేసారని అర్థం కాదు. పీపుల్ ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు వన్ మోర్ హోటల్ అని అర్థం. అంటే జాబ్స్ తీసేశారంటే ఇట్ డజంట్ మీన్ దట్ దే డోంట్ గెట్ జాబ్స్ అని కాదు. వారు అగైన్ దేర్ అప్‌స్కిల్లింగ్ అండ్ రీస్కిల్లింగ్. మీరు అప్‌స్కిల్లింగ్ చేయలేకపోతే, రిమెంబర్, ఇఫ్ యువర్ సాలరీ ఈస్ 20,000-30,000 రూపీస్ జాబ్స్ and you lose a lot of opportunities, because 20,000-30,000 rupees jobs will get automated by AI. If your salary is 1 lakh or 1.5 lakh, then you are completely in the safer side. Clear? I strongly recommend to have proper skills. So Girish is asking, sir, can we use agentic AI or generative AI in our data engineering journey? See, data engineering is a completely, it is going to provide the data to the, AI. So you cannot, you may automate things with the help of, agentic AI, but generative AI cannot, do anything with the data engineering, because AI to work, you need to supply the data. Who's going to be supplying the data? Data engineering team. So that is the reason AI cannot do for the data engineers. Clear? So that is the reason many companies today are getting so much of a data. Think about PhonePe company's data. Every month, PhonePe company is getting 700 crore data, 7 billion data per month. Now, on this data, who's going to be using? Data analytics team is going to be working on the huge amount of data, or AI team is going to be working on the data. But somebody has to get the data from PhonePe, clean the data, store the data, put the data into the data lakes and data warehouse. Who's going to be doing all these things? You're a data engineering team with the help of a cloud. Clear? So AI to work, data engineering team to supply the data. Am I clear? So that is what Girish. So data engineers will not be replaced by AI. Remember this. Even data analysts will not be replaced by AI. Are you clear? So data engineering means data suppliers. Without data, AI will not work. Do you know AI started in 1950s? AI is not today. Why today it became so popular? In year 2000 onwards, you have a big data era is started. IT industry not focusing on storing data initially, right? IT industry focusing on data storing after year 2000. Clear? So then onwards, the AI started coming. So you can understand, when the data is captured in IT industry, then only AI era is started. AI is there in the books in 1950s onwards. Clear? Sai Tarun is asking, good evening, sir. I am working professional in non-IT for 3 years. If I want to switch to IT by learning this course, will this experience considered? Yes, 100%. See, one guy recently came from TCS, and that guy was working for only BPO, 5 years, 5 lakh salary package for 5 years. That guy showcased out of 5 years, 3.5 years into data engineering. Now he got 5 lakhs to 15 lakhs. 2 days back only he joined EY company. Not only that, many people. I have people from L&T. I have people from even constables and home guards, right? There is a guy called, Home Guard, BSc has done it. He joined crime branch of Hyderabad. His designation was, constable in that offer letter. He was doing a lot of data analytics on the crime data. That guy got a job in Capgemini. The HR asked, "What was your earlier company?" He said, "Sir, crime branch. My designation was home guard, constable." Now, how constable can get into IT? Because in the crime branch, he was creating a lot of reports on the crime and submitting to Telangana government. Right? Designation doesn't matter. You may be anything, but still you can use existing one, and you can tell them that I have created these reports or I have used these skills in my existing company. Designation doesn't matter. Okay, na? Saitaran. You can easily do that. Tomorrow evening 7:15, I have a demo on data analytics using Power BI. I have given my number 9919919452. If you're interested, ping me. I will give you meeting ID for tomorrow's class. You can just attend tomorrow 2 hours demo, guys. Okay? Sure. Sai Taran, just message me your details to my number. Okay? Chalo. Now, Ediga Somu is telling, sir, I'm 34 years old, 2012 BCom passed out, Telugu medium. Now, past, yeah, definitely. I have a people 36 years, 37 years, 43 years, people get into IT industry. One guy, Ram Satish from Kaikinada, at the age of 43, after working for State Bank of India for 15 years, 2003 passed out. He got a job last this month, this year March, which 22 lakh salary package. I asked, how did you get a job? Because your age is 43. He said, sir, age is a number. It is a number, sir. I never see my age. I have only focused on your course. I'm able to get 22 lakh salary package. BCom, BSc doesn't matter. You're a, 34 means, don't worry at all. Okay, Somo. Tomorrow evening 7:15 you can join. If you're interested, ping me your details on my number. I will be able to give you the meeting ID. Somo, is it okay? Very good. Data engineering के लिए DSC नहीं ना, yeah. So DSC is not required for data engineering के लिए. There is no problem at all. Rajan Khan, sir, I am working as a SAP HANA Cloud Data Sphere engineer. Apart from this job, can I do freelancing by learning Azure data engineering? Why not, Rajan Khan? So many people are doing freelancing jobs. Even I was doing a lot of freelancing work for Saudi government and Dubai government by sitting at India. You can also work for companies, MNC companies, or top level companies. So there are many opportunities. Definitely you can learn data engineering. So you can watch my demo video, which is there in the Go Online Trainings YouTube channel. If you're interested, ping me on my number. I can give you the next demo classes. Okay, Rajan Khan, thank you. So I will give my number 9919919452. Guys, tomorrow evening 7:15 we have a demo on data analytics. Anybody wanted to attend? You can attend. Soma, I think finance domain, right? I have one guy. His name is Vijay. Vijay is working for ICICI Bank for 10 years. BCom MBA guy. Last year he got 8 lakhs to 18 lakhs salary package. Somo. So Vijay from I think Hyderabad, right? 10 years into ICICI Bank and working for the back end support. Now BCom guy and 8 lakhs to 18 lakhs he got a job. So I think he should be the role model for you. Okay, na? So if you're interested, I can give his number. You can talk to him after my demo so that you can ask how he prepared for the data analytic job. He got a job, I think, last year. Last year only got 8 lakhs to 18 lakhs. So is it okay? Same 10 years of experience from same finance banking industry. His name is Vijay. Okay. Chalo. Anything else, guys? Any questions you have? See, today, if you wanted to get into IT industry, many people think that I should have a BTech in a CSC or I should have, below 40 years. It is not like that. Say anybody can get into IT because IT industry is a private industry. I'm having a 25 years of experience in the IT industry. I have given trainings for lot of non-IT people, lot of people from different IT sectors. SAP people jumped into data analytics, data engineering, Java guys. So many people can go and go into IT sector, but only there is a misconception saying that if I'm a BCom guy, I cannot get into IT, or my age is 35, 36, 37, I cannot get into that IT, or I'm a housewife, I cannot learn anything. So all these things are completely useless. Okay. And as I said, data analytics, we need to learn SQL, Power BI, data warehousing. But some are asking about, Tableau and Python. Is it necessary to learn those two? And also, we are having, A2's forecasting dashboard. Please explain. See, data analytics backbone is a data. Okay, data analytics backbone is data. If you're good in SQL, forget about Excel or Tableau, forget about Python. If you're good at SQL, and on top of that, ETL and Power BI, you can easily get a very bigger package, because I have given training for the BCom guys. What I have given? Power BI, in depth of SQL I have given. Python I never gave. But Excel also I never gave. Only Power BI. Those people recently cracked three alpha letters, 8 lakhs to 15, 18, and 23 lakhs. See, it understood that many people are talking about Python, but I was talking about SQL, right? Power BI people does not need more Python, but Power BI people, or no Python is also fine, no Excel is also fine. Yamini, it is important that SQL in understanding. But unfortunately, people are learning 5 days of SQL, basics of SQL. Those people are completely outdated. My people are getting 20 lakhs as a data analyst today. And my people are gaining 15, 20, 23 lakhs with the BCom background, right? It is not a Python, it is SQL more important, Yamini. Okay, na? So, how difficult, simple to get a freelancing job, even if I complete in a career Azure? See, I can give you Azure data engineering. So, the learning course is something different, and looking for the job opportunity something different. Definitely, you can just Google it and get some help, because I don't have any freelancing, job support. I was doing for the for the Saudi government of and other thing, using my friends, help, right? So I think you should be able to get some community help, Rajin Khan. So understand how the things are happening, so that you can decide, right? For the this one. But I got a help from my friend. He is having his own company in Middle East. Using that, I was able to get the freelancing jobs. And if you need, I can refer him. That is not a big deal for me. Okay. Chal. So anything else, guys? So data analytics, you should learn more SQL rather than learning Python. Many people wrongly taking a lot of stacks, lot of courses, and they are not learning anything. Only basics and basics, basics and basics. And that is not a course at all. Then they'll say, I have done Power BI course, data analytics course, I don't have a job. When I ask you some simple question, how do you, remove the duplicates, or what are the different ways to, write the query, and what is the execution plan in SQL? Can you explain what is the index seek, or what is the index scan? They will not be able to answer. That means SQL, they are not able to get good knowledge. So forget about Power BI. Power BI is a dead easy tool. Even Tableau also easy. So the complete success is depends on SQL, not even Python. People are asking Python and everything, but my students always say, sir, 99 points of 99.99% interview questions from your syllabus, whether it is SQL or Power BI, whether it is a data warehousing or anything. Only I was lazy, sir. I was not able to prepare well. The same question is asked. When I came back and opened your notes, it was there. So I'm giving with my experience lot of interview stuff. How people are going to be using real time. We are covering in our demos. That is the reason one BCom guy, 20,000 rupees earning guy, got a 14.7 lakhs in last 2 3 months back. One guy Shiva working for a Rapido, earning 50 rupees, 100 rupees per trip. He got into 9 10 lakhs salary package, the data analytics. Fresher role I'm talking about. One guy from Shubham, Vishakhapatnam, mechanical year 2023 passed out. He got 8 lakhs package in Ahmedabad. So how? Because of the knowledge. Shubham told me, sir, my client from UK told me I'm having very good knowledge, it seems. They have interviewed many candidates. They have given me feedback saying that I got very good knowledge. See, all this feedback clients are appreciating from the UK and US to my students. How? Because of in-depth of syllabus we're covering. Okay. Thank you, Power within you. Who's that? Okay. So, how important Power BI dashboard, simpler in a fan? See, formatting, I don't recommend when I see. Many people think that formatting, look and feel, nobody will ask you not even one question in that point. They'll ask you completely data oriented question because to create a Power BI report, raw material is a data. Data means SQL. If you go to Ameripat, what are they teaching? They're simply teaching a drag and drop visualization, keep it there, give the background. If you're learning that, what are you doing? You're learning simply formatting. MS Word formatting or paint work you're learning. So that is not a Power BI at all. Power BI is completely data modeling, data storing, retrieval of the data, right? Writing DAX queries and performance tuning. All these things are important in the Power BI, not a fancy report. Nobody will ask. I have worked for a lot of companies, right? I never see the people asking this kind of interview questions. No, 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 no. Okay. Never go into that kind of a learning. You lose job opportunities. Learn SQL, data modeling, in-depth of power query, DAX queries. Data modeling is important concept, right? How to get the data, how to retrieve the data using different techniques, what is a role, row level security, data gateways, all these things you need to know in depth, not fancy dashboard creations. When I chal. So thank you guys. Sir, can you share some common SQL interview questions? Girish, yeah. See, SQL, if you ask me, people will ask you compulsorily how to guess first highest salary, second highest salary, third highest salary using a ranking function, without ranking function. Tell me what is a temp table, local, global. Tell me difference between a stored procedure or a function. Tell me what is a view, what is a materialized view, what is the difference between normal view and materialized view, what are the indexes, what is a clustered index, non-clustered index, a difference between CT and derived table, where exactly we use a local temporary, global temporary, table variable versus temporary table, and temporary tables why we should not use a lot, and what is a trigger, and what kind of a triggers you have created, what is a cursor, why cursors and triggers are not implemented in the real time, right? And what kind of a keys you have, what is the primary key, and what kind of a indexes are going to be created, why we can have only one primary key per table, why clustered index can be created only one per table. All these are important interview questions. In my channel, I have given you lot of SQL interview questions. Please watch. You can call me for more interview questions. I'll give my number. So anybody wanted to talk to me directly after the live, you can be in touch with me, guys. Okay. Now, then what additional I need to do in terms of efforts get into entry fang like professional competence. At end of the day, today industry is going towards a data. If you wanted to be in good in IT industry, especially data engineering or a data analytics, so I strongly recommend learn in depth of SQL. I had trained people who are 15, 20 years of experience in the IT industry, still they'll struggle with SQL. Always they come, Bhaskar sir, I have a lot of difficulties to write a lot of SQL in big data or Azure data engineering. I strongly recommend to watch my SQL free content which is available. SQL is where the industry is moving because data means SQL means data. I have given very in-depth of content in my channel. So please subscribe and watch those content, Khan. Am I clear? So that's important. सो आपको जो डाटा इंजीनियरिंग अज्यूर की उसकी है कितने इयर्स का एक्सपीरियंस की सो इट इज डेफिनेटली कैन कीप मिनिमम 3 to 5 years of experience. Okay, my people are going to be keeping That's what. See, you can keep minimum 3 to 5 years. So that is what is the question, right? So if you do my course, you can keep a minimum 3 to 5 years of experience. Okay. So that is what you can implement, right? So anyhow, one guy got by applying 4 years of experience recently, he got 15 lakh salary package, and he was completely from BPO background to data engineering senior position in HCL, and he a couple of offer letters he got it. You can minimum keep 3 to 5 years with my course. Okay, chal. Very good. Any other questions? So today people are learning data engineering because data engineering under that there is a big data. See, data engineering is a big umbrella. Under that there is a big data. Under the big data, we are going to be learning Apache Spark. It is also called as a data bricks, right? So people who are learning Apache Spark or the data bricks, they have to concentrate more on SQL, less on Python. If you know 10 days Python when you learn, and in depth of SQL when you know, after that, if you learn Databricks or Apache Spark or PySpark, or we're talking about some ETL ingestion tool like ADF. So when you learn these courses with optimization of Spark jobs and everything, you can easily get bigger packages. I have my students at the age of 36, 37. Uh, they never worked for any IT industry. They took only this course for 6 months, and now they're into 31 lakhs, 35 lakhs packages. Many people told them that you can simply, attend some interview, crack the interview, but after that you cannot work in the, real time. That is what people told them. But they got jobs 1.5 year back. They are able to work independently. Always they say, Bhaskar sir, whatever you have given, same thing is there. So always my manager tells me that, hey Akshay, you need to work on this. Hey, Mukesh, you need to work on this. Everything is already taught by you, sir, whatever they're telling in the company. So I came from the IT industry. I know what kind of a concepts the people are going to use or using in the IT industry. If I'm a new guy, so then I do not know about IT industry. I would have taught thousands of students, and I would have worked for many companies, many projects, right? So my friends are still working in Microsoft because I was there in Microsoft. I was working for Accenture company, Patni Computers. I came from IT only. I was a developer, senior developer, a team lead. So I knew what kind of a work the companies will have, how they execute the projects also. So keeping it in mind, I'm developing the courses. It is not that I'm teaching, first time to you guys. It is not like that. Chal. Vinay, sir, if they keep 3 to 5 years of experience, the company expects a lot of performance. Will person survive in IT? Non-IT companies no job. See, end of the day, you need to have work on the real-time exposure. We are going to be giving lot of projects to work on. So without a project, only learning 3 months, 6 months course will be difficult. We are going to be giving multiple projects and multiple assignments, not very basic level of projects, right? So I'm there in the IT industry 25 years, right? Almost I would have trained lakh of people worldwide. People will say, Bhaskar sir, after joining your institution, I'm able to crack the interview. After that, I was worried whether I can work on the real-time tasks or not. Many people will say initially, but after getting job, they say, Bhaskar sir, we never thought that we could work independently. One or two people, rarely they'll call me and ask me, sir, this is the doubt. This is how my manager asked me. But apart from that, 99% of the crowd will not come back. That means that we are giving in-depth of content, especially practical knowledge. A 3 to 5 years of guy, how he is in the real time, the same content we are giving it to the people, right? Otherwise, it will be difficult for you to work. If you have only theoretical knowledge or YouTube content you are learning, or free Udemy videos if you're taking and learning, you impossible for you to get into IT. See, people will not give you 30 lakhs package, right? Three rounds, four rounds, four people will be sitting. And after cracking the interview, after jumping into the company, then again you need to work on that, right? So definitely you need to have that kind of a training. You need to have. So that's what I say. It is not the course, it is the mentor that create the difference. Clear? Chalo. Very good, Vinay. So, anything else? You watch my videos and Vinay, which are there in freely in my YouTube channel. And if you have any questions, you can come back to me. Chalo guys, any other doubts if you have, you can ask me. Otherwise, we are almost done. And tomorrow evening, we are going to be having 7:15 new data analytics demo. So I will give you a demo tomorrow at 7:15. Okay. So any questions, if you have it, you can just ping me. Otherwise, we are good to go. I have given my number 9919919452, and this is my office number. Or you can call my office also in case if you have any other doubts. 9000075637. This is my office number. You will be able to call me office. So after the live, you can either call me or call office number. They will be able to give you the courses, the curriculum, and the duration and the fee structure. So get in touch with them. So I have given the number 890000. So you can call them or you can attend my live class tomorrow for the data analytics or data engineering. Already recorded videos are available in my YouTube channel. Watch it once and call my team Vinay. Is it okay? Chalo guys, any other questions? So whether you are coming from any industry, even though everybody is talking about recession, but people who are learning in depth of content today, they're able to crack even today 2233 offer letters. Now one guy 2 days back got BPO industry to data engineering. 5 lakhs to 15 lakhs, one offer, 5 lakhs to 18 lakhs, one more offer, 5 lakhs to 21 lakhs, Cognate company. So, end of the day, knowledge matters, right? Mentor matters, guru matters than simply learning here and there. And many people will somehow they can by heart some important questions, or they somehow they hurry burry they complete courses in 1 month and half month. Those people will not be able to survive in the IT industry, guys. And tomorrow again same time 6:30 in the evening I'll come live, so that if you have any questions you can ask me. So tomorrow you can also continue to watch my live Power BI data analytics course, right? So next week we have data engineering demo also. Anybody interested, you can ping me either in this chat, or you can also call these numbers, so that you will be able to get the good opportunities. Okay, see, today many people are talking about recession. I say recession is common for everybody, right? But people who are learning, they will be able to easily get into industry, because end of the day, what is the choice you have? You don't have any choice, right? Either not to learn and sit at home, or you need to learn something and utilize the time and at least you try in the IT industry. So otherwise, what you do, year by year, your age will increase. After 3 years, you realize that I never done anything. Everybody told me recession, recession. But what is that you do? If you have a better opportunity, you jump into that. Okay. If this is the better opportunity, at least come and utilize the time and learn. See, as I told you, in my 2009 and 10, even I lost my job. So I was, many people were asking that time, sir, is it good or bad IT industry? I never said good or bad. It depends upon how you take it. See, for me, IT industry is good, but apart from that, I don't have any other opportunities. If you go to non-IT, you have 20, 30, 40,000 rupees salaries. 2011, one guy get into IT, one guy get into operations. Operational guy getting 40,000 rupees salary today, the other guy is getting 40 lakhs salary today. It depends upon how you see it. If you see there is a recession, there is a recession. If you see it is opportunity for you to take your skills to the next level, that is also opportunity. So I took 1.5 year break, 2009 and 2010. I was learning Java, .NET, lot of other courses that time. Clear? But after 1.5 year, I got a job in Patni Computers. Now I'm able to get very bigger packages. So it is your decision whether you sit at home by blaming everybody, or you take the opportunities, utilize the time, learn the courses, be with the proper mentors. I don't recommend to learn courses. Courses are completely useless. If you don't have a proper mentor, learning is 100% useless, I'm telling you. Many people will say you learn from free content. Free content means nothing, right? So remember that. Okay. See, syntax, nobody will be asking the syntax question. I have a 25 years of experience. You ask me one syntax, I will not be able to tell. Why are you bothering about syntax? Nobody is going to be asking about syntax. If you are learning syntax based coaching means it is completely useless. Nobody should teach you syntax. Nobody should ask you syntax. People have to ask logic. Why one primary key per table? They should not be asking how to create a primary key. Tell me the syntax. So if they're asking those kind of an interviews, you have to avoid. I don't recommend people should ask syntax based questions. So remember that. Okay. Which is an entry level job among data analytics or data. See, everywhere we have entry level. Data analytics, entry level jobs we have. Data engineering also entry level jobs we have. Minimum 6 to 8 lakh jobs, 8 lakh salary package, you can get it. So nothing is impossible. So in both places you have entry level jobs. Clear? My students are working for the entry level jobs and 3 4 years experience also. Some people they have showcased who have the career gap and they're able to get bigger packages. My students are in the both places. Clear? Krishna Chaitanya. So anything you can take it. End of the day, knowledge matters. That's it. Whether you have a housewife or a BTech 90% guy or a career gap guy or a BA guy, BCom guy, doesn't matter. You have the knowledge or not. In the interview, what will they ask? They'll ask you, tell me about yourself. You say I'm from blah blah blah. They don't not even ask your qualification. Directly they jump into the project. So end of the day, knowledge matters. Okay. Anything else, guys? So this is the live, and tomorrow we'll continue. Take care. Bye bye. Good night.